It is clear that there is an urgent need across the globe to modernize the existing public safety networks. We need to prepare for new services, which will be introduced in the future. And therefore it's time now, in our opinion, for the governments to act and to explore LTE as a new technology on this. LTE, in our opinion, is a natural and future-proof choice for the public safety. LTE mobile broadband networks are flexible, scalable, support the most stringent security and quality requirements, which is very important, especially for these networks. And then the harmonized spectrum, common technology infrastructure for the different organizations bring the economies of scale and the cost savings at the end.
Spectrum availability is of importance to any LTE deployment, but really critical for public safety network, which must be available at all times. Spectrum harmonization is of great importance due to the limited number of public safety subscribers in order to get the required LTE infrastructure and device support that they need. Nokia supports customers with different spectrum models, such as dedicated in the Middle East, hybrid in the US, or commercial in the UK. Nokia has been promoting the harmonization of spectrum for many years, especially for the 450 and 700 MHz bands, which we believe will be the major two bands for LTE public safety. There are a number of specific 700 MHz 3GPP bands which have already been identified. Those include band 14 for the US, the emergence of band 68, which is likely to be used in Europe and Middle East, as well as band 28 for the remaining parts of the world.
Let me look at security and quality from the point of view of LTE technology and telecom operators. So network quality relates closely to coverage, capacity and congestion control. And telecom operators build their networks for high availability and scalability. The opportunity to provide infrastructure for public safety communication is in fact a driver for improving the coverage and the quality of the commercial network. So Nokia provides here a reliable solution to secure LTE networks and devices. Quality of service is an inherent function in LTE, and it will be further enhanced in our future roadmaps.
Nokia is a leading supplier of next-generation LTE mobile broadband networks. Nokia has been long associated with the development of mission and business-critical communications market. Existing narrowband systems like Tetra and P25 will coexist for some time. We are here to help to build a smooth evolution path from current narrowband networks to secure LTE-based networks. Nokia is driving 3GPP standardization to achieve feature parity, economies of scale, and interoperability. Additionally, we are developing innovative broadband solutions to lead the way for the next generation mission and business-critical services. One example is Network in a Box, which is a rapidly deployable solution that helps establish a full LTE network in just minutes. In a recent live search and rescue demonstration with Vodafone New Zealand, we showcased how Network in a Box brings the critical communication capabilities to remote areas where commercial networks do not reach. Another very good example is from Korea. Together with our customer SKT and partners, we were the first in the world to showcase a push-to-talk and advanced group communication based on eMBMS.
We have an open ecosystem approach and several partnerships agreements in many technologies and industry areas, including on the public safety side. So partnering can be seen as one of the engines for business growth, as it helps us to extend our own portfolio, create end-to-end solutions and enter into new markets. So Nokia's LTE solution for public safety includes 3GPP standardized interfaces for flexible integration with existing solution, and it means that our customers can really choose to work with local integration partners. There are many opportunities related to public safety that go hand in hand with the development of the smart cities. So LTE is a reliable starting point, and the future services will be also built utilizing the IoT capabilities such as sensor with automated alarms and warning systems. Wearable for the first responders, for instance, will help monitor their vitals and capture warning signs in the surroundings for enhanced situational awareness of this. So it is important for governments to look at the big picture when making now their decisions, in our opinion. Nokia's expertise in LTE, 5G and IoT makes us a reliable partner now and in the future. And we drive the standardization of these technologies and invent new solutions for the benefit of the people, to help make technology more human.